Hello friend, how are you today? So today I want to teach you something about spurs. So this is a central leader system, okay? But now on this tree, with this oak, we have trained on spurs, okay? So spurs are the shoots which come from these branches, these eyes, the apple eyes, are the one we call spurs, okay? So why we encourage more spurs on mostly on lateral branching is this, okay? So imagine this spur, I think this is egg fruit imekuliwa na bird. So imagine that spur has a fruit, another spur, this spur has a fruit, this spur has a fruit, another spur has a fruit here, another spur here has a fruit, 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 another one, 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 another one. As in the all of this branch, imagine every spur has a fruit. We have like how many spurs? We have 26 spurs in only this branch, okay? So imagine those are 20, because you want only one fruit from each spur. Those are 26 fruits from this one branch. Say you have 10 branches, okay, in that one tree. So 26 times 10, that is 2. So it's 26. Yeah, 26 fruits times 10 branches. That is 260 fruits. Very possible and very easy. You can see the disease. This is anthracnose. Already affected our apples. So it's not always a win in our orchard, but there's always some problems. You can see that apples come there. But now when you see this branch about fruiting according to the spurs, there's one fruit there, another one here, 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 another one there, here, there, okay? Just another one here, another one here, another one here, another one here, in the same branch, another one here and another one here. So the more spurs you have, what I've come to learn about apple farming is the more fruit you love. But you need to protect yourself from this fungal disease, because they are going to cause apple have these spots, and you know when they have these spots, they are not good for the market. This is called apple scum. It's not good for the market, and the market is not going to take it, okay? Yes, it's organic, but the market won't take a fruit which has spots. So those are things we need to check. Have a good time and God bless you.